Welcome to the BudMD family. Today, we're going to show you the complete process for using stain and odor eliminator to clean up pet accidents. Our professional strength enzyme formula destroys stains and odors at the molecular level, ensuring your pet won't return to the same spot. We'll show you the 3 simple steps to success. Your stain and odor eliminator comes ready to use. No mixing or measuring required. Just keep a clean cloth handy and you are ready for the crucial first step, preparation. The process has 3 critical steps. Step 1, remove the excess. Clean up any solid waste first. Then, spray generously. You must saturate the area completely. For a dinner plate-sized accident, use 8 to 12 pumps. Remember, urine soaks deeper than you can see, so treat a wider area than the visible stain. Step 2, wait exactly 15 minutes for set-in stains. This is the critical step. The enzymes need time to break down the organic compounds. The longer you wait, up to 15 minutes, the better the results. If it's a fresh accident, 5 to 8 minutes is usually enough. Step 3, blot and air dry. There's a clean cloth to blot away the moisture. There is no scrubbing needed. The enzymes will continue working even as the area air dries completely. Success means 2 things. The stain is gone, and your pet stops returning to that spot. If you can still detect a faint odor, your pet can smell it 100 times stronger. In this case, repeat the treatment with the full 15-minute wait time. This is completely normal for old or deep stains. Our safe, fragrance-free formula is gentle on surfaces and around your entire family. If you have any questions or need to stock up on this essential cleaner, visit our website to chat with a cleanup expert. It's that simple. Get started today and eliminate those pesky pet messes.